Yes, children, welcome back. Those who are sitting at home, so for them I am doing revision. Today I did in regular class also the same chapter, that is force and pressure, because this is the portion given to you for FA1 test. So FA1 test timetable will be announced shortly. So date is not yet fixed. So timetable will come. At that time you read the first chapter, that is force and pressure. This is very short period for you. That's why just this time I am doing revision for you children. Okay. In this chapter first I will revise, fill in the blanks. Okay. You know the answers already I have sent through the WhatsApp also. Still I am revising. So to draw water from a well, we have to dash at the rope. So when you draw water from the well, what you will do? Will push or you will pull. According to the definition of force, force is a push or pull of an object, that we call it as force. So when you draw water from the well, ಬಾವಿಯಿಂದ ನೀರನ್ನು ಹಗ್ಗದಿಂದ ತೆಗಿತೀರಲ್ವಾ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು push ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಥವಾ pull ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? Yes, you are pulling the water, isn't it? So what you have to write? To draw water from a well, we have to pull at the rope. Okay? Then second one. A charged body dash an uncharged body towards it. So there are two types of charges, positive charge and negative charge, isn't it? Here, charged body and uncharged body. We distinguish that one. When the charged body brings or comes towards the uncharged body, whether it attracts or it repels. Yes, always charged and uncharged means always they attracts each other. Okay, so the answer is attracts. Answer is attracts. Suppose if the charged body comes to with the contact with the charged body, then it repels. Okay, one the charge, another one is uncharged, means always they attracts each other. Even uncharged and uncharged body comes towards, then also there is a repulsion. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, another one is uncharged, then only they attracts each other. Okay, that is the concept of second fill in the blanks. Third one, to move a loaded trolley we have to dash it. Suppose the trolley is full of load. Okay, we have to move that from one place to another place. So what we should do? Either we have to push or we have to pull. So you should write both the answers, that is pull or push. ಯಾವ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು the move on. The loaded one, trolley. If you push also it moves, or if you pull also the loaded trolley moves. That is why you write both the answer, pull or push. Okay, you write mention or ಅಥವಾ pull ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅಥವಾ push ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. And the fourth one, the north pole of the magnet dash the north pole of another magnet. So in the magnet there are two poles, one is north pole, another one is south pole, isn't it? So it has two poles. When the same south north comes, same south and south, then they repel. They repel. ಅದೇ ತರ same. Suppose if the north and north comes, same pole, north pole of a magnet dash the another north pole of the magnet. North to north comes also, it repels, because they are like poles. Like poles always repel each other. Unlike poles, suppose one north and one south comes, then it attracts. So the question is, when the north pole of magnet, okay, dash the north pole of the magnet, that is, it repels each other. Answer is, it repels each other. It repels each other. Okay, children? So these are the 4 fill in the blanks. Okay, now we discuss about the answer of the following. Define force. What is force? As I said, the definition. So what is force? A push or pull. ಇದನ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ತೀರಾ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಯೂಶಲಿ? ಸಮ್ ರೆಸ್ಟೋರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಡೋರ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ, ಟೈಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪುಷ್ ಪುಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಲ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋದರೆ ಅಥವಾ ದೊಡ್ಡ ದೊಡ್ಡ ರೆಸ್ಟೋರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಹೋದರೆ ದೇ ಆನ್ ದ ಗ್ಲಾಸ್ ದೇ mention push or pull. So if you want to go inside, you will push, alva. Then while coming, you pull the door. So a push or pull of an object is called force. Okay, yavadadru one object na, if you push or pull, then that is known as force. Yavadadru agirbodu, any object you can take. I mentioned the door. You can take any object. If you push or pull, then we call it as force. Okay. Next, what is pressure? Okay. Then in the video classes, I have given one example. That is nail example. Okay. So a nail has 2 tip, that is, one is tip and another one is head. 2 sides. A nail has 2 sides. One is sharp edge, another one is head. That is, area is more. When you take this nail and if you want to put inside the wall, so which side you use? Is it head side or this nail side? We usually put this sharp edge of the nail to the wall with the hammer. We give some force to that so that it easily moves inside the wall. Try the same thing with the head towards the wall. Head na hakibiಟ್ಟು tip ಇಂದ ಈ side ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೊಡೆದ್ರೆ hammer ಹೋಗುತ್ತಾ? No. Why? This moves very easily because the unit area, we mentioned one term, unit area. So the force per unit area is called pressure. Elli unit area tumba kammi ide, alli pressure jaasti. Okay, if you hold this head side, then area is more. So if you give force also, it doesn't move inside the wall. Alva hogade illa, because area is just in the same way. I have given one another example also, children. Bags. So you bring your lunch box or books, no, that strap is very wide straps you have, so that you can hold the bag very easily. Why? They won't made with the wire strap ishtagla iro badli wire inda yak madalla, because the unit area is very small. So if you hold that, then the pressure will be more. It may damage your shoulder. That is why your area is more on the bags. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಪ್ ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಥಿನ್ ಆಗಿರೋಂಥ ಒಂದು ವೈರಿಂದ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. ಎಲ್ಲನೂ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್? ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಪರ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್. ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಪ್ರೆಷರು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಫೋರ್ಸು ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಬಿದ್ದಾಗ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ pressure. So we know the definition of force and pressure. The next question is, what are the effects of force? Force in the ಏನೇನು ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? First one, the force arises due to the interaction between two objects. So there must be two objects for the force. ಹಾಗಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ಎರಡು ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ರೇನೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, I have taken one textbook. Okay, I kept it on the table. Then with the force I will push the textbook. So there is an interaction between the two objects. Which are the two objects? One is table, another one is book. So that is the first effect of force. Second one, force has magnitude as well as direction. So when you push or when the object moves with a great force, then it moves with one direction. In which direction it moves? When you apply the force on the object, then the object moves towards the direction of force. So it has magnitude and also direction. ಈಗ ನೀವು ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಳ್ಳಿದ್ರೆ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಬಾಲ್ ಹೊಡಿತೀರಾ, ಬಾಲ್ ಹೊಡೆದಾಗ ಯಾವ ಬಾಲ್ನ ನೀವು ಯಾವ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಹೊಡಿತೀರಾ ಅದೇ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಬಾಲ್ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. Is it? So that is what. So the force has magnitude and as well as direction. So third one, a force can change the state of motion. Suppose if the ball is coming from your, let us say straight ball is coming towards you, the bowler rolls, the ball is coming towards you in a straight line. Suppose if you hit the ball, you change the direction, you may change. Suppose you can change towards 4 runs or 6 runs, or if no player is there means, fielder is not there means, you change the direction of the ball towards that position, isn't it? ಸೊ ನೀವು ಅಥವಾ ನೀವು ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಬಾಲ್ ಫುಟ್ಬಾಲ್ ಆಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀರಾ, ಗೋಲ್ ನೀವು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ವೇರ್ ಯು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ದ ಫೋರ್ಸ್, ನೀವು ಬಾಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬಂದರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಗೋಲ್ ಕಡೆಗೆ ಯು ಚೇಂಜ್ ದ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್ ಬಾಲ್ ಟು ಮೇಕ್ ಅವರ್ ಗೋಲ್. ಸೊ ದ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ದ direction. That is also one effect. Then last one effect, force can change the shape of an object. I told you, the balloon or any soft ball, rubber ball or any other soft material. If you apply force on it, but if you take the gas filled balloon, that will be better. If you apply force on that, the oval shape or round shaped balloon will change its shape. Alva joragi force madaaga the shape of that object changes, isn't it? So I told you so many examples in the class. Even ನಿಮ್ಮನೇಲಿ ಚಪಾತಿ ಹಿಟ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಕಲಿಸ್ತಾರಲ್ವಾ, ಆ ಚಪಾತಿ ಹಿಟ್ಟನ್ನು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನೀವು ರೌಂಡಾಗಿ ಚಪಾತಿ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ, ರೌಂಡ್ ಬಾಲ್ಸ್ ಪುಟ್ ಬಾಲ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಸಮ್ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ನೀವಿದ್ದರೆ ಅಮ್ಮ ಇದ್ದು ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಿಚನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ನೀವೇ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಆ ಬಾಲ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡು ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಶೇಪಲ್ಲಿ ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಏನೇನೋ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ವೆನ್ ಯು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ದಟ್, ದೆನ್ ದ ಶೇಪ್ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್ changes. Okay, that is also you can tell. So what are the effects of force? There are 4 points given in your notes also, children. So go through all this. This is very important for FA1 test. Okay, so in the class also I have given the same thing. So at home also you read all this and complete your notes. When you come back next week or whenever you are coming back, you have to show your notes. Okay, along with this you revise and come. Okay children, see you, bye.